Hi Myntra Beauty fam, I am Prableen Kaur Bhomrah, also known as PKB. I'm going to show you new 2023 makeup trends that you need to try from the products that I got from Myntra on amazing deals. All the product links are going to be there in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Without any further ado, let's get started. First technique we're doing is underpainting. Now I'm using this Benefit tin and I personally love it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description so you can try the products out. Now I personally love it. It's very beautiful, pink in color, does not leave a dent on your face, and this technique is basically to use all of the products that you would apply technically post applying your foundation, but in this, to give a natural finish, we're using the concealer and the blush before using the foundation. I'm using the Swiss Beauty's concealer and I'm blending everything in. I'm not merging everything together, but as you can see, it looks a little weird. But now I'm going to use the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation to kind of put it all together, and I'm going to apply it on top of the products that I've already used, and you can see the final finish. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to leave all the links in the description so you can get your hands on all of these products. I feel that the look has all come up really nicely together. Secondly, let's go in with cool tone eyes. Now the second technique again is something that really picked up in the start of this year, and I'm using the Lakme's Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the two cool tone pink shades, more on the nude side, and I think it just makes the whole look very neutralized and nice. I'm using the same on my under eyes and you can see it looks really nice. Lastly, third is the Siren Eyes. Now I love the Maybelline's New York Tattoo High Impact Liner. It's so precise and it just does the job. I can just go right in, and Siren Eyes just make your eyes look very nice. So the technique is to make a natural elongated eyeliner on your eyelid, but also to take it right in your inner corner to give that very precise eye look, and I think it looks fab. You can see. And lastly, I'm just using the same tint on my lips to just put the entire look together, and you can see the final finish. It looks really nice, very natural and yet so bold, and I think all of these three trends that we've seen are really picking up this year. That is all today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want to see any more such trends and techniques. I got all of these products from Myntra and I'm going to link everything in the description box. Make sure to check all of these products out. I really hope you had fun watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.